Fishbowl is a fun party game where players give hints and act out different secret prompts to help their teammates guess them. To play, start by splitting your group into 2 teams. Then, give each player 3 slips of paper and have them write a person, place, thing, or feeling on each one. Fold up the slips of paper and collect them in a large bowl. Give each team a piece of paper and something to write with so they can keep score. To start the first round, choose one team to go first. One player from that team selects a random slip of paper from the bowl. They have 1 minute to use hints and clues to get their teammates to guess what the word or phrase on the slip of paper is. Players can only use words to hint at the prompt. Motions, spelling hints, and rhyming hints aren't allowed. If their teammates guess the right word or phrase, the player draws a new slip of paper from the bowl, continuing until the 1 minute is up. Players can pass on a prompt and draw a new one from the bowl once per round, but the timer doesn't reset. After the time is up, that team tallies up the number of prompts they guessed correctly and adds that to their score. Then, it's the second team's turn. Once both teams have gone, all of the clues are placed back in the bowl and the second round starts. The second round is played similarly to the first round, but this time a new member of each team will draw a prompt. And players are only allowed to use one word to describe the word or phrase on their slip of paper. For example, if a player draws steak, they could say cow or beef, but nothing else. Continue alternating between teams until there are no more prompts left in the bowl. Each team adds the total number of prompts they guessed correctly to their score. At that point, the third round starts. Place all of the prompts back in the bowl. One player from the first team draws a prompt, and they have 1 minute to act it out without speaking. If someone on their team guesses it, they draw another prompt, continuing until their time is up. After 1 minute, that team tallies up the number of prompts they got right and adds it to their score. Then, it's the second team's turn. Once both teams finish the third round, the final scores are tallied. Whichever team has the most points wins the game.